video we have seen about Python. So in Python we have seen how to open the Python in both in intermediate mode and script mode, okay, and you have learned about two functions, input functions and print functions. So you know how to get the input while in running time, and you know how to print a statement, variable, values, etc. Okay, so and you have known about the escape sequences also. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the tokens in Python. So the tokens in Python. So first one, identifier. Second one, keywords. Third one, operators. Fourth one, delimiters. Fifth one, literals. So these are the 5 tokens in Python. Okay, so identifiers, keywords, operators, delimiters and literals. So first one we will see about identifier. So what is an identifier? So in C++ we have learnt about the variables. So the same thing here, the identifier, it is used to give, or it is used as a name for a class, object or data. Okay, so this is the identifier. So when you are framing an identifier or a variable name, you should be about specific with the rules for framing it. Okay, so what are the rules for framing the identifier? So first one, it should start with a character, either an small alphabet or capital alphabet. So it must start with an alphabet or underscore. So it should start with alphabet or underscore. Okay. Second one, it can have digits. So it can have digits from 0 to 9. And the third one, so it will not allow special characters. Okay, it will not allow some special characters. So what are it is? At symbol, percentage, hyphen, etc. Okay. And the fourth one, it should not be a keyword. And the fifth one, it is case sensitive. Right. So these are the rules. You must keep it in your mind while you are framing your identifier. First one, it should start with an alphabet or an underscore. Second one, it can have digits from 0 to 9, and it will not allow some special characters like at symbol, percentage and hyphen, etc. And the fourth one, it should not be a keyword. And the fifth one, it is case sensitive. So what do you mean by case sensitive? If you are given the name in small letters, it should be specified with the small letter. If you are given in capital letter, it will allow only capital letter. You can understand in what case you are given, right? So these are the rules. You have to be very thorough when you are framing an identifier. So let us see some example for identifier. Examples. So first it can start with alphabet or underscore. So let us have, so A, no, so this is the valid one, and then let us go underscore A1. I am added a digit, okay, or A7. So here it is started with alphabet, here I am starting with underscore, and here I am having a digit. Okay, so these are all what? Valid identifier. So let us give some examples for not valid ones. So at A1, so this is not a valid one, or computer hyphen science, this is also not a valid one, and if, this is also not. because if is a keyword, okay, and this is a started with special character, and this I am using a special character hyphen. So these are all not a valid identifier. So the valid identifiers are like this. It must start with underscore, or it must start with alphabet, and it must not be a keyword, and it should be a not a special characters also, okay. So these are the rules for framing an identifier. I think you will be very much known about the identifier. Next I am moving on to keywords. So second one, keywords. So what are keywords? So these words are already inbuilt in the Python interpreter. So the keywords we are using is used for, they are prescribed it for particular purpose. So it can be used for that purpose only, and we cannot use it for other purpose. So these are the keywords, okay. So there are many keywords in Python. Let us see something. So if, else if, true, false, none, switch, print, okay, int. So these are the keywords. So these all keywords have some meaning with Python code. So they must be used for that purpose only. We cannot use it for other purpose, okay. So these are the keywords. And next we are moving on to operators. So operators. So in what are operators? They are used to perform some operations, okay. So you can, there are many types of operators in Python. So some of them are arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and the fifth one, ternary operator. So these are the types of operators available in Python: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and ternary operator, okay. So these are the 5 types of operators we are going to see. So what do you mean by operator? I have already said it is used to do some calculations or operations. So next we have to know about the word operand. So what is an operand? So what you have learned this word in C++ also in 11th standard. So what do you mean by an operand? So the operators operates on a value, that is the operand, okay. The operator will acts on a value, that value will be saved in a variable, or a value it will be asset, that is an operand. So for example, I am having a plus b, here plus is the operator, okay, and a and b are the operands, okay. So the operator acts on operand, okay. So this is the operator and these two are the operands, okay. So now first we are going to see about the arithmetic operator. So it is used to perform calculations, mathematical calculations. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. So let us see what are all the arithmetic operator. So plus, minus, star, slash, modulo, and floor division, okay. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python code. So there are plus, minus, star, slash, modulo, and double slash. That double slash is floor division, okay. So as usual you know that plus is used for addition and minus is used for subtraction and star symbol is used for multiplication and slash for division, and the percentage symbol, it is known as the modulo division. It is known as the modulo symbol, it gives the remainder, okay. And the last double N, it is floor division. So these are all the arithmetic operators, the operators and their description. So plus, addition, minus, subtraction, so everything you know. Modulo symbol, it gives the remainder, okay, and double slash, it gives the floor division. The answer will be in integer, okay. So So this is all the arithmetic operator. Now we will see a program with using the additional arithmetic operator. So A is equal to 50, B is equal to 5 I am having, and next I am going to do the arithmetic calculation. So print arithmetic operators, and next A plus B is equal to I am going to, so comma, so this must be printed as such, then for separating the value I am using comma. Okay, in the last class I have seen about the print statement. So A plus B, I want the value as A plus B. Okay, and next print A minus B is equal to comma A minus B, and I am using all the arithmetic operators. Okay, so this is the program. So what is the hash symbol we are using? It is used as a comment line. Okay. So first one, hash is a comment operator. So I am giving the word arithmetic operators here. So next I am starting the program. A is equal to 50, B is equal to 5, print arithmetic operator. So what will be the output for this program? Now we will see. So what will be the output? So I am writing here the output. So first one, print. What is the first print statement? Arithmetic operators. And the second one I am asking to print A plus B is equal to, so A plus B, what is the value of A and what is the value of B? 50 plus 5, so the answer will be 55. And next line I am asked to print A minus B is equal to, so A minus B, 50 minus 5 will be 45. And next line I am using A star B. Okay. So 50 into 5, so what will be the value? 250. Okay, and next line A slash B, so 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. And next I am using the modulo operator, A percentage symbol B. So it will, I have already told, it will give the output as the only the remainder part. So when you are dividing 50 by 5, what will be the remainder? So the remainder will be 0. And next one, A floor division B, double slash, so it will give only the remainder part. So 50, so I am dividing by 5, what will be the value? The same thing, I am having 10. Okay, so these are all the output, and I used all the operator, these are all the operators I have written in the program as Python code. And what will be the output of it? Arithmetic operators, plus, minus, star, slash, modulo and double slash. Here I am using a whole number and the number gets divided as such. Suppose I am having A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 4. Okay. For all others you know the values, plus, minus, star, slash. So what will be the value of A slash B? Suppose I am having the value of A as 45, I am having the value of B as 4. What will be the value of A slash B? So 45 divided by 4 is 10. Only the integer part I will be giving 40. Okay, but that is the point value. So when I am dividing A modulo B, it gives the remainder. So when 45 is divided by 4, what will be the remainder? 10 fours are 40, or 11 fours are 44 and the remainder will be 1. So it gives the remainder, the modulo symbol gives the remainder. And in floor division, so I am having 45 divided by 4. So I will be having, what will be the value? 11.2 something, but I will be having only the value as 11 when I am using the operator double slash. It gives only the integer part. Okay. So these are all the uses of the differences between slash, modulo and double slash. Okay. And the particular value you are using, we will be getting the values of modulo and double slash. Okay. So what are all the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, star, slash, modulo and double slash. So floor division and modulo, modulo returns the remainder, floor division gives the integer part of the quotient, right? Okay, next we will move on to the relational operators. So relational operators, we will say it also as comparative operators. Okay, so what are all the relational operators or comparative operators? So it is used to compare between the two values of two operands. Okay, so less than, greater than, less than or equal to. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. So these are all the relational operators or comparative operators. So you know the description: less than, greater than, so less than or equal to, and this one will be greater than or equal to, and this is equal to, and the last one not equal to. Okay, so relational operators: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. So these are all the comparative and relational operators. So we will see in the program how we are going to handle it. So now we are going to see about the program in relational operators. So A is equal to input, enter a number, and B is equal to int of input function, enter value of B, so I am going to use the relational operators. So print so A greater than B. Now we will see A less than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to B, and next one A equal to B. So we are writing A equal to B, you must use double equal to, and next one not equal to. So you are using the exclamatory symbol and equal to symbol. Okay, so this is a program for relational operators or comparative operators. So what will be the output? So what will be the output for this program? So first one, what is the first print statement? relational operators. And next one, A less than B. Okay, you say for relational operators, what will be the output you will be getting? In arithmetic operator, we have write A plus B, we have the value of A and we have the value of B, just it will add and give the value. But we are going to check only whether it is less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay, so then what will be the value, output? It will be given in true or false. Okay, so if A less than B, the condition, we are checking a condition, so it will give the answer in either true or false. Okay, so now first it will ask, right, input, enter the value of A. Sorry, so this will be the first statement, enter. So we are getting in run mode, so enter value of A is equal to, so enter value of A means I will be giving a value, it will have it be 45, and next it will ask the other next value, enter value of B, so I will be giving it as 5. So next, relational operators. So A less than B, whether A is less than B? No. So A less than B is equal to false. A greater than B? True. A less than or equal to B. What do you mean by less than or equal to B? Suppose I am having the value of B as 45, then it has the quality as equal to. Okay, so either it may be less than or it may be equal to, then we will be having it as true. So we are having it as false. So A greater than or equal to B also false, A equal to B also false, and A not equal to B. A is not equal to B, so the condition is true. So but you have to use the not one. Okay, so then what will be the value? True. So A is not equal to B. Okay, so these are the outputs for the relational operators. So relational operators will be giving the value as either true or false. Okay, suppose I am having the value of A as 45. Okay, and I am having the value of B as 45. Then in A less than B, I will be having the value as false. Okay. In A less than or equal to B, I will be having the value as true, because either less than or equal to, but the value is here is true. So I will be having 45. In the same way, A greater than B, it will be false, and A greater than or equal to B will be true, and A equal to B will also be true. Okay. So if the two values are same, then less than or equal to, greater than or equal to will be having the value as true, and all others will be having the value as false. Okay. So what are all the relational or comparative operators? So it is going, we are going to check the values, or we are going to compare the two values using the operators less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. Clear? Next we are going to use logical operators. So logical operators. So if it is used for logical values, as we know very well, and or not. And or not. These three are the logical operators. Okay. So and means both value must be true. False, or means either one value can be true. So not means it gives the opposite value. Okay. So here also we will get the output either in true or false. So let us see a program. So A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 5. Print. So I am giving the values in program itself. Logical operator. So print and or not. So and operator, So print A greater than B and A equal to B. Okay. So print OR operator A greater than B or A equal to B I am giving. And the next one, print NOT operator. So print not A greater than B. Okay. So this is the program. So what will be the output for it? So I have given the values in the program itself. So what is the first print statement? Logical operator. And next I am using in that AND operator. So print A greater than B and A equal to B. So if A is greater than B, the condition is true, and A is equal to B, the condition is false. If both the conditions are true, then only we will be getting the answer as true. So here I will be getting the value as false. Okay. And next OR operator. Here I have given A greater than B or A is equal to B. I am having A greater than B as true and A is equal to B as false. Either if one is true, then the value will be true. So here I am having true. And next one, last one, NOT operator. So NOT operator, A greater than B. A greater than B, the condition is true, but I am using NOT operator. So it will give the next value. So no, sorry, it will give the NOT value. So A greater than B means true, the NOT of true is false. So I will be having as false. Okay. So this will be the output. So if both the conditions are true, then only we will be getting the answer as true for AND operator, and if either one of the condition is true, then we will be getting the value as true for OR operator. But in NOT operator, it will give the, if it is true, it will give the value as false, and if it is false, it will give the value as true. So here I am having A greater than B, the value is true. 45 is greater than 5, so the value is true. So NOT of true is false. Okay. So the value output will be in false. So these are the three operators in logical operators. So arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators we have seen. So either there is two, logical and assignment. Sorry, assignment and ternary. So we have seen arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators. Other two we are having is assignment operator and ternary operator. So now I am going to see assignment operator. So what is the assignment operator? So equal to is the assignment operator. So we will be using with each and every arithmetic operator, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, like that. So assignment operator is equal to, it is used to assign the value. Okay. So if you are doing any calculation, it does the calculation, assign back it to the variable which is that is the operand which is assigned with the operator. Okay. So equal to is the assignment operator. We will be performing it with plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash, modulo and double slash, that is floor division. Okay. So these are all the assignment operators available in Python of it. So plus equal to means, suppose I am having x plus equal to means it gives the value as x is equal to x plus the value. Okay. X plus equal to 5 means x is equal to x plus 5. This is the meaning of that. Okay. Operator x plus is equal to means x is equal to x plus 5. Similarly, x minus equal to 5 means x minus equal to x is equal to x minus 5, and the same thing for all operators x is equal to x star 5, and similarly x slash is equal to 5 means x is equal to x slash 5, and for the modulo symbol we will be having as x is equal to x modulo 5, and the last one for floor division x modulo is equal to 5 implies x is equal to x double slash 5, right. So, these are the operators. So, it will give the, if you are having x plus is equal to 5 means implies x is equal to x plus 5, okay. So, now we will see it is in a program. So, if suppose I am having the value of x is as 25, then what will be the value of x plus is equal to? X plus is equal to means, so x is equal to x plus is equal to 5 means x, suppose I am having, okay, let it be x is equal to 25, x plus is equal to 5, then x is equal to x plus 5, right. Already I am having the value in x 25, so 25 plus 5 will be having as 30. So, the new value of x is 30. Now, if in the after 2 or 3 lines I am going to perform with the variable x, then the value of the x will be 30, okay. So, first I had the value x is equal to 25, next I am doing the operation on it, x plus is equal to 5, which means x is equal to x plus 5, that is x is equal to 25 plus 5, okay. Therefore, the value will be x is equal to 30, okay. Now, we will see it in the program. So, a is equal to 25, print plus equal to, so x plus is equal to, okay. And next one minus equal to, comma, x minus equal to 5, and print star equal to x star is equal to 2, slash is equal to, so x slash is equal to 2, and modulo equal to, so x modulo equal to 3, and next one print, just I am giving a number, when we will going on to calculation, let us see, double slash, okay. So, let us see what will be the output for it. So, first I have given the value x is equal to 25, next I have asked to print x plus is equal to, sorry, plus equal to operator. So, I will be having x plus is equal to 5, then what will be the value of x? 25 plus 5, 30, okay. Then for minus equal to operator, x minus equal to 5 means 25, now the value of x is 30. So, 30 minus 5 it will be 25, and next x star is equal to 2, now the value of x is 25. So, 25 into 2 is 50, and next I am having x, the value of x is 50. So, 50 slash 2 will be 25, and next modulo symbol. So, now the value of x is 25, 25 divided by 3 means what will be the remainder? So, 8 3s are 24, the remainder will be 1, and next the double slash is equal to, so now the value of x is 1, 1 divided by 2 means there is no integer part, that is 0.5, so we will be having as 0, okay. When you do a calculation, the particular value will be saved in the x value, okay. So, then next the value of x going on changing, so the value of x will be calculated for the latest value of x, okay. So, first the value of x is 25, so plus 5 means 30, and next the new value of x is 30, so 30 minus 5 is 25, now the new value of x is 25, so 25 into 2 50, now the value of x is 50, so 50 divided by 2 is 25, and next I am having the value of x is 25. So, 25 divided by 3, 8 3s are 24, the remainder will be 1. Now, the value of x is 1. So, when the 1 get divided by 2, it will be 0.5. So, the integer part alone will be the output. So, the value is 0. Okay. So, this is the assignment operator. The last one we are moving is ternary operator. So, ternary operators, it is also used for checking the condition. It gives either the true value or the false value. So, but it is given in a single line. We may be using it in if statement or if else statement like that, but here we are using the same thing in a single line, that is the ternary operator. So, it has a syntax. So, variable name is equal to true part if condition and next the false part. Okay. So, this is the syntax for the ternary operator. Variable name is equal to true part if condition, that is the conditional statement, and next comes the false part. Okay. So, example, suppose I am having a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 20. I am giving the ternary operator as x is equal to 30 if a greater than b and I am giving it as 20, or suppose I am giving as b greater than a. Okay. So, now first it will check the condition. So, what will be the output of it? So, print x. Okay. So, b greater than a. So, what is the value of b? The value of b is 20. What is the value of a? The value of a is 30. So, 20 greater than 30, whether the condition is true or false? The condition is false. So, if false means which part will be displayed? The second part will be displayed. Okay. So, print of x means the x is equal to 20. So, the output will be 20. So, suppose this may be the program for calculating the minimum of two numbers. Okay. This is the command line. Okay. So, I am having a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 30. This is the true part, if condition, and false part. If the condition is true, 30 will be displayed. If the condition is false, 20 will be displayed. Here I am having the condition as false. So, the value 20 will be displayed. Okay. So, it is given in a single line. This is the syntax for the ternary operator. So, these are all the operators available in Python code. So, what are all the 5 operators? Arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment and ternary operators. So, we have seen all the 5 types of operators. Okay. Thank you students. We will see the other 2 tokens in the next video. Thank you.